Welcome to Woggle Guides. In this guide, I'll show you where installed apps are on Android. Let's get straight into it. If you're trying to find an app that's installed on your phone, Android provides a couple of different ways to see what's available on your device. So the first thing we want to do is open the Settings app on my Android phone. If you can't find the Settings app, you can tap the Google search bar on your home screen and search for Settings to locate it. Once we've found it, let's open the Settings app. Once in that, I'm interested in the Apps option. I'll tap on that once to open it. You'll see an option on this page that shows the total number of apps installed on your device. Let's tap on this option to view the full list of installed apps. You'll now see all the apps currently on your Android phone. You can scroll through this list to browse your installed apps. If you're looking for a specific app, tap the search icon in the top right-hand corner. And then I'll type the name of the app I'm looking for. In my example, I'll search for eBay, and you'll see the search results are quickly displayed, and I'll just tap the eBay app that's appeared in the results. Now this doesn't open the app itself, it opens the app info page, where you can view information about the app and access options such as force stop or uninstall it if you need to. Now another way to quickly access the app itself is to find the installed apps through the app drawer. Now the app drawer is one of those things where it can be a little tricky to find it, but once you've found it, it's easy to find it again. So I'll return to my home screen. I'm going to swipe up from the bottom of the app to open the app drawer. Now this can be a little tricky if you've not tried it before. You kind of need to place your finger not quite at the bottom, but nearly at the bottom of the screen, and just swipe up. And you'll see as I do that, I drag the app drawer open. This shows all of the installed apps on my device. And just like before, you can scroll through that list to browse the apps. I can also search for an app by tapping on the search box at the top of the app drawer. As before, I can simply type the name of the app, and you'll see it appears in the results. I can then tap on the app to open it if I wish. Now menu names may vary slightly on your Android device, but the app section in Settings is usually the most reliable place to see every installed app on your phone. And that's all there is to it. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Woggle Guides for free for more simple tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and do look after yourself until next time.